Okay, hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a quick Dollar Tree haul. I went for specific things and we had a big hailstorm. A bunch of my flower pots got holes in them from the hail, so I needed to replace them. I was really glad that they have these ones that have the saucer, to catch the water. And I believe these are the not self-watering kind, but you know what I mean. The water just doesn't pour out of the bottom. So these were $1. I figured I couldn't beat that because I have little seedlings and things that I'm planting, plus, like maybe single geraniums or things like that, or herbs, one herb. So I picked up a few of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then my son had a school project. I picked up some stuff the other day. I didn't share that haul, and I don't know where that is. So I picked up this phone. And then I think I've hauled these before, but I need these for the vanities upstairs. So I picked up these liners. I like the pattern. Pick those up. And then here's more. These are slightly bigger. So I picked up 3 of these. And then 2 of the bigger size. These don't have the thing on the bottom. You have to punch out the holes, and then you have to, if you have them inside, you want to use one of those plastic saucers or pottery saucer, whatever you have. So there's 2 of those. And then for that closet project, which I'm going to get up shortly, I'm organizing it. I got these 2 baskets to hold things. So, got 2 of these. All right. I picked up 4 of these. These are bright orange. I like the color, but I'm going to put them in the bottom of my hall closets, and 2 in the closet that I'm going to show you that I just changed from a coat closet to like a pantry closet. 1 to hold like my steamer accessories and stuff like that in the steamer, and then 1 for each of my son's shoes that they're wearing, because they're always over the house, so it'll be easy. They'll each have their own basket and put their shoes in there in their coat closet. So got 4 of those. Then I saw this Kiss nail glue, so I thought I'd try this because I've tried the Sassy one, and I think this might work better. It's a better name. So I picked up 2 bottles of that. Picked up an eyeshadow brush because mine is misplaced somewhere. One of mine that I liked. 4 of these in this copper color. I haven't seen this copper color before, but also for the closet that I'm organizing. And then I like these. They had a bunch of these in all different sizes, but I have a few, but I figured I have some drawers to organize. I like the non-slip feet and the non-skid lining in there. I picked up 2 of those. And then I have some staining to do, and I couldn't find staining towels, but I found these, and they're really good. I think they're going to work well for staining. I'm going to cut them up into probably squares like that, and then I'll probably only need 1 for the staining that I have, so the rest I'll try using around the house. These are the Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths from Offertex, and they're eco-friendly, good for electronics, glass, wood, leather, use wet or dry, highly absorbent, soft material. So like I said, I probably just need 1 for the staining. And then I couldn't find stain applicator pads, but these are very similar, so I'll probably use 1 of these for that and brush the 2 around the house. I got this because I thought this was cute for a birthday prop. My daughter's birthday was yesterday. My birthday's coming up. We like to take goofy pictures for Instagram, so pick that up. Okay, then I saw this. It's the only one I saw, this Lowe's Creative ideas for kids' spaces. And usually I say, well, I can get all that stuff online, but for $1, it had a lot of really interesting ideas that I just thought, well, you couldn't pass that up for $1. And there's things like that I want to do. So the normal price on this is $19.95. I don't know if they have any of the other books by you. Let me know in the comments if you've seen these. And then I got these. I noticed now the other day I got Tom and Jerry and the Jetsons. So they are getting, these are by Benton, different coloring books. But the reason I'm getting these is not maybe for the reasons that you think. I like the Pooh characters, and I think if I want to do like maybe do a canvas and do a painting, that I can use this as a template. I can copy it onto a piece of white paper and then like draw the outline on the canvas and then paint it. I thought it would be really cute to try something like that, either on a canvas or even on like a rocking chair or a stool or something like that. So I thought the outlines in it were really good for that because they're big and they're jumbo. You see how huge that is? And it would make it really easy to paint. So that's why I got them, and that's why I picked up some of the Tom and Jerry. Well, I gave some to my kids because they love Tom and Jerry, but I kept one for me, and I kept one of the Jetsons too. So, I mean, they have, you can see they're nice and big. You get that big one, a rabbit, right? So yeah, I thought that these I'm going to use for crafts. Okay, I'll show you how they work out. Then they had these really cute boxes. We had another one too in blue, but I didn't really care for that. I want to use this too in the closet that I'm organizing. I think it's neat because when you stack them, they have handles, so it looks neat. But there's all kinds of like little things that we have, either like, you know, like the paint markers or like for furniture and stuff, and just little things. So I thought that would be nice to organize some stuff. Got that. Got 2 of these because these are always good when you're organizing. And then I picked up one of these food tents. I think. Oh, I picked up these felt sheets for my son's project. And then I picked up one of these. Actually, I think I picked up 2 of these because my son found one in green that he wanted. So just thought that was neat. Project, I had picked up these rocks. So these are stones. So we're doing a rainforest. We have a diorama. I did the floral moss. And I picked up this reindeer moss, and we picked up this because we're going to try to make some trees and stuff out of it. Okay, so these are the Tom and Jerry's that I said I picked up the other day. Tom and Jerry's that I picked up the other day. Again, I think they're great for myself. I bought each for my kids, but these I'm keeping for myself. Like I said, for projects, and I'll keep you updated on how that goes. So this is the other one. The pictures were kind of similar, not exactly, but so I picked up one of each. But you see, I just like the size of them, and that's what's really good. Now, you see, I think these are from Vision Street, and the other ones I showed you were from Benton. And then they had, there's a Vision Street too. Oh, wait a second, guys. I know why. These are from Ollie's. These are from Ollie's, so that's interesting. You know, when I was in the Dollar Tree yesterday, I thought, oh, they're getting a lot of these because these are big fun. And so that was just a fluky thing. Isn't that funny? That's really funny. Okay. So no, I got these at Ollie's. Yeah, so if you have an Ollie's, I just like the big, huge, look at that. So if you're like Jetsons and you want to paint something, it's very easy. showed you this one, I think, right? And this one, yeah, these were 99 cents anyway at Ollie's, so still $1 balls, and then another Jetsons. So very, very good. But that is, I think, most of the haul. The kids took some other stuff, but that's that. Thanks for watching.